Hello everyone, welcome to Laksha's Learning Launch. Today we're gonna do some cube roots. If you find this chapter hard, then make sure to watch the whole video because we're gonna use prime factorization to make this easier. Prime factorization, we're gonna use LCM, which is the lowest common multiple. So let's start off with number one. The prime factorization is also called the ladder method. So first one, we have 343. 343 is an odd number. So you do your trial and method and I read 7. 1, then 2, no, 3, 5. Of course not 5 because it doesn't end with 5. And I came down to 7. Over here, for square roots, if you remember, if you've not watched the video, then make sure to go back and watch it. I'm going to post the link in the description. But for square roots, we use a pair. For example, in 16, 4, say 4s are, and then 4 1s are. We take these two 4s as 1. That's how we find the square root of 16. But for 343, or for cube roots, we're gonna take 3 numbers. It's a trio of the same number. 7, 7, 7, we're gonna take 7. So cube root of 343 equal to 7. Let's go for a second sum. 1728. It's an even number, go with 2. If it's an even number, the easiest way to go about it to ensure that you won't make any mistakes is to take 2. But if you are confident, if you have done your trial and error method and you think that a higher number can take 2's place, then go ahead with that. But make sure you have an ascending or a descending order. It makes your sum easier to solve. I've taken 2. I've simply gone with 2. Over here, now 27 I cannot divide it by 2 anymore. So I took 3. I continued with 3. I don't want to bring any other number in between. Continue with one number. And in cube roots until you get 3 of them. And following an ascending or descending order will help you do this better. 2 into 3. So the cube root of 1728 is 12. Let's go for third sum. We have a huge number here, 32,768. That's a huge number, but again, it's an even number. Go with 2. Just blindly go with 2. But again, if you're really confident about this, then you can try a higher number. Probably it's possible with 4. I do not try it. You may want to try it. Let me know if it works in the comments. I'm simply going with 2. It is quite a lengthy method, but you can be sure that your answer is going to be right. 2048, 21024, then 512, then we have 256, we have 128, and then we have 64, and then we have 32, then we have 16. Over here, many a times people would try to take 4. Over here, many people might want to take 4 because 4 4s and 4 1s is easy to complete. But in a way, this cannot be considered because for cube root, we need 3 numbers, a trio of the same number. And in this case, we will not have a third 4, which is why we cannot consider 4 as an option. We have to continue with 3, with 2. That's it. Goes at 2 1s are. There you go. Now we take 3 2s and then equal to 1 2. That's how you consider them because this is cube root. Similar to a pair in square roots, a trio in cube root. So the cube root of 32,768 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 2s. Okay. But it's not 5 2s because it's not 2 plus 2. It's 2 into 2. Don't make that mistake. That's 32. Let's go for our last sum. $42,875. That's a huge number as well. It's ending with 5. Go with 5. That's it. If it's ending with 5, just go with 5. That's the best rule. You can't do anything else other than 5 because yes, there are certain numbers, but it's going to take a long time for you to actually track down which number coincides with this such a huge number. So take 5, start off with it. You're gonna reach your answer gradually. And plus this is quite a quick method if you see, because we had 3 5s and then 3 7s. So 5 into 7. A trio of 5 or trio of 7. 5 into 7 of 42,875 is 35. This is all about cube roots. If you learned something new today, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Lakshaya's Learning Lounge. Thank you for watching.